Have you ever wondered if your DJI NEO 2 can survive a brutal high-impact crash? For aggressive drone pilots and those who use quick shots, this concern is constant. Today, I'm sharing my complete tips using two products I purchased that transform the DJI NEO 2 into an absolute tank. We're talking about custom protective accessories and essential add-ons that ensure your drone can withstand tough flights and return in one piece, even after a crash. If you fly the DJI NEO 2 for travel, content creation, or just fun, you already know how important the gimbal is. It's the heart of your smooth footage, and also the most fragile part of the drone. The gimbal is vulnerable to damage every time your drone crashes. An unexpected bump or a hard landing can lead to misalignment or other damage. Let's be honest, gimbal repairs can be costly and are typically not covered if the damage is physical. That's where a gimbal protector comes in. This simple product can protect a gimbal from crashes. It also prevents damage to the camera lens and maintains the alignment of the gimbal, protecting its rotor. For a low-cost item, you get peace of mind, longer gimbal life, and fewer repair risks. It's one of those accessories you don't realize you need until it's too late. If you care about your DJI NEO 2 and your footage, a gimbal protector is a no-brainer. Protect your drone, protect your investment, and fly smarter. One scratch. That's all it takes to ruin your DJI NEO 2 camera sensor. Today, I'll show you why this anti-scratch tempered film sensor screen protector is a small accessory that makes a huge difference. The camera lens, LiDAR sensor, and small LCD screen are the most important and most vulnerable parts of the drone. Protecting them should be your top priority. Every time you take off, land, or pack away your drone, the sensor is exposed to dust, sand, fingerprints, and the risk of accidental scratches. Even wiping the lens improperly can create micro scratches that will affect image clarity over time. Additionally, replacing or repairing a sensor can be costly.
This DJI NEO 2 anti-scratch tempered film is specifically designed for the sensor screen. It is thin and crystal clear, ensuring that it does not affect image quality or sensory detection, particularly the front LiDAR sensor and the 360-degree obstacle avoidance lens. The tempered glass provides an extra layer of protection against scratches, smudges, and minor impacts, all without altering your footage.
This upgrade helps keep your sensor looking brand new, minimizes cleaning damage, and extends the lifespan of your camera and its components, such as the LiDAR sensor screen and its 360-degree detection lens. Considering the low cost, the protection it offers is definitely worth it. If you care about sharp footage and protecting your DJI NEO 2, this sensor screen protector is a must-have. Protect your lens, protect your shots, and fly with confidence. That's it for now. I hope these tips help you with your DJI NEO 2. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so for more videos like this. This is Dabong, and I'll see you in the next video.